welcome back. I'm your Nutrista, Melissa, and today we are doing our second recipe in our summer series, a frozen Shirley Temple, my favorite as a kid. So I'm really, really excited about this one, and I'm gonna show you how you can make your own frozen Shirley Temple in the Nutr machine. All right, you guys, so we're gonna take ice, and we're gonna fill it up. Okay. All right, you guys, and we're gonna fill up the ice to the max line. All right, so, ooh, cold. All right, perfect. Then we're gonna do 1.5 tablespoons of grenadine, one of the main ingredients in a Shirley Temple. Okay, just pour it in like that. Perfect. Then we're gonna take Sprite. So really simple, there's only a few ingredients in a Shirley Temple. We're gonna do 1.5 cups of Sprite. More. Perfect. All right, and then we're just gonna blend it on room temperature. So excited about this, one of my all-time favorite drinks. So all you need is 3 simple ingredients: ice, grenadine, and Sprite. All right. All right, and it's ready. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is one of my favorite summer drinks, and you can make it in the Nutr machine, a frozen Shirley Temple. Hearty favorite, and I'm gonna top it with a cherry. Oh my gosh, yum. Still my all-time favorite. All right, you guys, so that is how simple it is to make a frozen Shirley Temple. Join us next time for our third in our summer series. Bye, guys.